Gathering here, today we will take a look at one of the most powerful natural treatments against kidney disease in the world. This you see here is called Shen Shuai Ning, and it's actually a very powerful combination of natural remedies. It's the main treatment for kidney disease in many Asian countries, and we don't have it in Europe nor in the US. Today, things may change. I'm telling you this because after testing it with the Western scientific method, researchers believe that this treatment works better than conventional Western treatment for CKD. Researchers now believe this remedy is so powerful it can actually lower creatinine and improve GFR even in stage 5 CKD patients. The effect will be significantly delay the progression of kidney disease while improving creatinine levels and GFR. Guys, this research I'm showing you was conducted comparing results from a large number of test subjects and was published on a prestigious peer-reviewed paper. Yes, the evidence for the effectiveness of this treatment is pretty solid, and that's not surprising when you read the ingredients. Oh wait, it's all Chinese. Huh? Now guys, don't worry, I've studied Shen Shuai Ning in depth. It contains herbs that help the kidneys by removing toxins from the intestinal tract, promoting blood circulation to improve renal blood flow, and by promoting natural detoxification, according to several studies. All the remedies this medicine is composed of are available over the counter. Yes, I found a perfectly legit way to get a hold of the ingredients for Shen Shuai Ning that I want to share with you today. I've bought them on Amazon actually, and I've checked and tested all of them. They are safe for people suffering from CKD and they can help. So let's see immediately how to put these together. Our first ingredient here is an herb that's on the fast track to be approved by the FDA as a treatment for hypertension. This is called danshen, also known as red sage. This is mainly used to treat heart problems and to lower high blood pressure. It really works. Studies confirm that it can lower blood pressure by 10 points or more. This remedy works so well it has successfully compared a phase 2 clinical trial under the US FDA. In the near future, red sage may be an approved treatment in the US. This extremely potent remedy helps lowering blood pressure and improving kidney function by acting as a vasodilator and decreasing clotting. And since many people are already taking advantage of this remedy in the US, I had no troubles finding it on Amazon.com. They have a GMP certification, which means that the product is produced and controlled according to high quality standards. The therapeutic dose for this herb is 500 milligrams 2 times a day. Remember that this is a powerful remedy, so monitor your blood pressure regularly if you want to start taking it. The next ingredient in Shen Shuai Ning, it's called Rheum officinale or Chinese rhubarb. Researchers think that this remedy can improve the therapeutic effect of conservative management in stage 3 and stage 4 patients of chronic kidney disease. Chinese rhubarb has in fact the property of decreasing proteinuria and creatinine levels in kidney disease. In this study, patients received rhubarb capsules 350 milligrams thrice daily along with standard treatment and had a significant increase in kidney function in just 12 weeks. Yes, I know this is an amazing result, and as we have seen, when combined with the other ingredients of Shen Shuai Ning, the result can be even better. There is just one more ingredient to see. Before that, how should you take Shen Shuai Ning? What these studies show us is that these remedies work when taken for at least 4 weeks. The peak effectiveness is at 8 weeks to 12 weeks, however. So, a way to take these remedies could be 8 weeks to 12 weeks on, and then 4 weeks off, and then repeat. My advice here is to consult with a naturopath that can guide you on how to incorporate these remedies in your treatment. Time to take a look at the last ingredient. This you see here is Dong Chong Shakao, a very important remedy in Chinese medicine, but probably you already know it as cordyceps. Now, this is a pretty amazing remedy. Some people don't know this, but cordyceps actually are fungi growing on worms. What you see here is basically a parasite, but it won't harm you. Instead, cordyceps is a powerful adaptogen with many proven benefits. Stage 4 CKD patients lowered their creatinine levels by an incredible 18.3% in just 3 months when supplementing cordyceps. Guys, I shared exactly how to use this wonderful remedy to get this result in my video up here. Watch it now to know more. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.